Ah, said he, I have this load to carry. To be sure, it is silver. But it is so heavy that I can't hold up my head. And you must know it hurts my shoulder sadly. What do you say of making an exchange? Said the horseman. I will give you my horse, and you shall give me the silver, which will save you a great deal of trouble in carrying such a heavy load about with you. With all my heart, said Hans. But as you are so kind to me, I must tell you one thing. You will have a weary task to draw that silver about with you. However, the horseman got off, took the silver, helped Hans up, gave him the bridle into one hand, and the whip into the other, and said, When you want to go very fast, smack your lips loudly together, and cry Jip.